So today, we're going to learn about a really important organization here in Luxembourg that provides many vital services. Luxembourg Air Rescue was started in 19... LAR? We're learning about LAR? Those guys are frickin' awesome. I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with LAR. Luxembourg Air Rescue.
You know, these folks with the helicopters who fly to hard-to-reach places to rescue people who've had heart attacks or a motorcycle accident in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, yes, I've read about them.
They can get to any place in Luxembourg in 10 minutes.
Wow.
And on every LAR mission, there's a doctor and nurse on board so that the patient who's back here can receive top medical care as quickly as possible. Now, as I was saying, Luxembourg Air Rescue started in 1988. And today has a total of 6 rescue helicopters and 5 ambulance jets.
LAR has jets, too?
Of course they do, man. How else are they going to do their worldwide medical repatriations?
They're what?
That's when someone needs to be brought back to Luxembourg. So look, my neighbor was down in Mallorca, golf, and they had a stroke right out on the course. And so LAR flew down there with doctor and nurse on board and brought him back to Luxembourg. And it sped up his recovery big time. Luxembourg Air Rescue helps with international disaster relief efforts too.
Oh yes, I read about that.
After the recent New Year's Eve fire in France, Montana, LAR helped evacuate people from Switzerland. They do that kind of stuff all the time.
Now, who pays for all this?
Yeah, who does pay for all this?
Good question. Luxembourg Air Rescue is a non-profit humanitarian organization supported by its membership fees and donations.
Who's he talking to?
I have no idea. LAR relies on you to keep its helicopters and jets in the air and to keep rescuing and repatriating people in need. So if you'd like to become a member, go to lar.lu, where you'll learn more about this vital organization, as well as complete details on various membership options. I hope you'll consider becoming a member. Addy ciao, tip top.